Hi and welcome back. It's Morag Gamble from Our Permaculture Life and the Permaculture Education Institute. Now, if you're anything like me, you're really looking all the time for ways to actually diminish the plastic that enters into your life. So I do all sorts of different things, and often I'm collecting jars from something that I've just consumed, and I'll wash it out and use it again and again and again, and always on the lookout for really interesting jars at the op shop or wherever I can find them. And sometimes they just don't come with lids, or the lids that they've come with have either broken or perished or rusted out and are just not suitable anymore. So what can you do? Instead of throwing out the whole jar, you can actually get some replacement lids. Now you can find all different sorts of replacement lids. I really like these ones here that are part of the Fowler's Vicola preserving kit. And so it's a really simple way. So if one bit breaks, like this is completely recyclable, this is too, and this is rubber, a natural product. So if you've got a jar like this, all you need to do is to put the rubber around the rim, there we go, like that, and then the lid on the top, like that, and that seals that, and then the clip goes over the top, there we are, and it just clips on, and it clips underneath this ridge here that most of the jars have, and so that's really secure. So this is the hemp seed milk that I made yesterday, so you can see it's completely sealed. Absolutely fantastic. And if one of these bits breaks or gets damaged, you can just simply order another set of that. But they are so robust. I've had these for so many years, and if you look after them, they just keep lasting and lasting. So that's just a little tip about how you can rejuvenate some old jars that you've got that there's nothing wrong with the jar itself, but you just need some kind of secure lid so you can store it safely either in the fridge or on the shelf and keep it nice and protected. So I know it's hard, isn't it, during this pandemic? There's so many things that we have been used to doing that we can no longer do at the moment. Sometimes we can't do the scooping, sometimes we can't take our own container, but at home we can maintain a way of life that is diminishing our waste and diminishing our single-use plastics. And that's all what Plastic Free July is about, is getting us to think differently about how we can do that. So I've put a few links down below about resources, about how to learn more about permaculture gardening, links to my blog and my YouTube channel, and also to the courses that I offer in learning more about permaculture, and also a 4-part series about permaculture that you can access for free there. So I'll see you again tomorrow, back in my house or my garden, talking about another way that we can really try and kick the plastic habit as much as we possibly can and get back to some of the more really simple, natural ways of living and ways of eating. All right, catch you again. Bye.